Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Hey, I haven't done anything to do with any D100 videos in, at least probably 2 years, because I haven't needed to. I mean, they've been out for 5 years or whatever, and very few people have any problems installing the D100 kit, because it's pretty simple. Now, the ones that do have problems, they don't look through the directions. They don't read any of the stuff. I put a lot of work into putting this together for people. I mean, we got real super explicit directions, but it's really, really simple. But we've got some people that, now it says over and over again that you can mount your caliper plates in 4 different positions, 9 and 3 and 10 and 2. Fits a lot of years, but we recommend 10 and 2. Now, we got a lot of people that just, well, a lot, that's not true. Every now and then we'll get somebody that will just look at the picture and they'll see a 9 and 3, and then they get it on the truck, find out that it rubs the shock or whatever when you go lock to lock or whatever. But we just perceived in this picture. Now, we call them bench stoppers, like with the hubs or whatever. They haven't really, well, bench toppers. Some people can make things very, very complicated. So, I get this picture in right here. And somebody has taken the D100 plates and marked all kinds of effing numbers on there all over the place. I mean, what's that all about? So, D100 spindle, backing plate, that's where it bolted on, here and here. Remove plate from package supplied. Remove plate from package supplied. This happens to be the driver's side, and we're going to mount it at the 2 o'clock position. Screw plate on. Take bolt and go through the spindle and screw the plate on. It's threaded. This plate is already mounted. That's how fast you can mount the plate. And then it shows you where you need to drill the holes. There's your template where you need to drill the holes and tap them. So, if you can't do that, you probably should not be attempting the install. If you can't bolt the plate on, and get to that point, you probably need to seek some help. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar. My daddy used to say, when you the only one that can't do it out of several thousand, you're an anomaly. And it ain't the vehicle, and it ain't the part. It's you, son. It's you, boy. You, what's wrong?